Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fissner. Guys, so I've got quite interesting job today. This is iPhone 14, the regular 14, yes? The customer has brought in the phone because they said when the phone was dropped, automatically it started to restart after 4 minutes. So, we've checked and it really does it, yes. And my technician, before opening it, he charged it because it was completely discharged. And then he said, Peter, it was lasting for like half an hour. He brought it in and it's 4 minutes back again, every 4 minutes. So for me, as I had those issues in the past, it doesn't necessarily mean that there is some hardware issue, like component removed or something. So instead of Googling, I went to Gemini and I said, what should I do? Yes. And actually, what? Guys, the Gemini has replied properly. It said that I should be able within 4 minutes check the system logs. And actually I was surprised because that was a really good answer. So yes, I did go to the settings, I've checked, and in the panic log, as you usually do it anyway, but I'm surprised Gemini have done it the right way. You check, yes, and it turns out that the proximity sensor is not communicating. So I said, okay, let's open it, yes. So my technician was just here and we did it. So we've opened it, we've checked, and we start to compare. This is a new screen, by the way, yes. This is just brand new, out of the box. As cheap as it gets. It's just for testing. But the customer said that the screen has been replaced. So what I did is I start to compare the two screens and things are missing. That's the original screen. Okay, usually you have I expect to see two cables, yes. So that's one flex cable, and where is the second one? So that's a screen you see with fingerprints, and that's a new screen without. That even has the original film, yes? And it's working, of course it's working, but it doesn't matter. The iPhone without proximity sensor here, there are a few other sensors, you can Google it, I won't be on topic too long. Yes, I just wanted a quick video for you because you might not know it. There are two flex cables, even if you will take my iPhone 7 here off the shelf. Yes, so even the old iPhones. Usually I can expect two cables. You see one flex cable, there is something wrong. And I went on Amazon, I bought, it's called Mobile earpiece speaker flex cable compatible with iPhone 14, yes, and $9.49 on Amazon. So I've ordered it, and let's hope that will be the only problem. But the question I've got to myself is, I've been charged for the transaction. The question I'm trying to ask myself is, how come you could replace the screen for someone and you wouldn't transfer that flex? This is something beyond me, yes. I can't say the phone is faulty, I would say the phone is not faulty. And how come that after replacing the screen, the 4 minutes didn't kick in straight away? Those two questions I can't answer. If somebody knows them, please comment down below. But the official story of the customer is, the screen was broken, they took it to some place, that place has replaced the screen, the phone was fine, and only when the phone was has been dropped, this start to show us 4 minutes. Whereas I know from my experience that if I won't plug in the second cable, the sensor is not communicating with the motherboard and it's switched off after those 4 minutes. That's why you can find the issues in the logs. So that's a common knowledge. That's not something new. Even now Gemini can answer you that, yes? So if somebody knows the answer to that question, I would be happy to learn it as well, guys, because I've got no idea. For me, it's pure magic. Yeah, that's all I wanted to share with you. Thank you guys for watching. If you can, do like the video or something. There are good things which are changing, positive things. but I will record in the next videos about them gradually. And as always, I will include a small YouTube channel with the music I create. Yes, there's about 10 only songs. The rest are for our members, so membership does pay. Thank you guys for watching today, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.